Want to get the most from your online marketing? Achieving success with digital marketing begins and ends with a strong strategy. Anyone attempting to improve their business using online tools will profit greatly from having a step-by-step design to help lead them every step of the way. Willy-nilly wandering into the digital world can cost you time and money and leave you wondering why you started in the first place. So let's do our best to avoid that. Here at Spynr, we call our strategy for online success the W.A.S.H strategy. Now, W.A.S.H is an acronym, and W stands for Website Sales Funnel. The key to remember is that your site ignites your sales funnel above all things else, and you should design it with that in mind. Your goal is to find curious visitors and turn them into customers. Along that journey, they become leads and are met with call to actions and are nurtured over time to use your services. Your site is a platform that makes all of that possible. The second step of the W.A.S.H methodology deals with audience. A for audience. In other words, who are you trying to reach with your messages? And what's the best way to maximize how effectively you communicate with them? The third step is your strategy, which deals with social and search. When you're trying to attract your perfect customer, it's tempting to think that all of your efforts should go to your website. Well, that's not entirely a bad idea. It's also not exactly correct. Simply having a website doesn't mean you'll have visitors to it. You have to give people a reason to visit you first, which means they need to know that you exist, and the best way to do that is through search engines and social media. The fourth and most important is how did you do? Providing quality service to your customers is the core of every business owner's mission. No doubt on many occasions, you've had the experience of wanting to interrogate every customer you interact with. Questions like, how are we doing? Are you happy with our services? And what can we do better? These all race through your mind at a frightening pace, and that's a good thing. So let's dial in on those thoughts. What can we all do better?